I think it's always so valuable to hear from customers that are utilizing cloud ERP. And I want to share a specific example, and you're going to add a lot of color to it. American Air Filter, the world's largest manufacturer of air filtration solutions. And I think this is such a unique example. To put some data behind it, they have operating production and warehousing facility and distribution facilities in 22 countries and 4 continents. And it's not really an exaggeration. They are impacting the air that we breathe. And here's a quote from them that I want to highlight for our audience. Thanks to the Rise with SAP offering, we have fast-tracked our way to becoming an intelligent enterprise with customer-focused processes and a user-enabled operationality agile landscape integrated in the cloud. So we look at this as a case study because it serves as such a great example. And for you, I ask, what are the big takeaways when it comes to American Air Filter story?
It's an interesting story in the sense that this is a century-old business, right? American Air Filter has been in the business of producing air filtration solutions for decades. And they are doing this for residential, commercial, industrial application. They're even doing it for bigger projects. Think about the Apollo 11 mission with the NASA that they work on with American Air Filter. The interesting element about American Air Filter is they had a external growth strategy. So this means that they acquired multiple companies along the decade with multiple ERP systems. So they ended up in a situation where they had quite some complexity in the landscape, and they also needed to modernize so that they can move their company to the next phase, what we typically name the digital transformation. And to do that, they needed a modern cloud ERP, basically to bring them to the next phase of evolution of their company. So what they decided to do is actually, more than implementing a cloud ERP, they decided to put Rise with SAP as the solution, the platform for innovation across the entire organization. So this means that, yes, they can run all their mission-critical operations in real time, but on top of this, they are bringing innovations such as predictive analytics so that they can bring their business forward to the next phase. So Rise, American Air Filter was actually one of the first customers to go with Rise with SAP, and we're extremely proud to also have them here at Sapphire sharing their story.
It's exciting to hear the story. Just such a legacy company, and to your point, been around for so many decades, but
Yes.
yet innovating and moving forward and not getting stuck being in the past.
Yes.